Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this sporty automatic 208 in the GT line specification. So this car features 17-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got half leather interior with a red GT line style stitching. There's the 7-inch touchscreen that features sat-nav, as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And some of the other features of this car include air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So this car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 110 horsepower and has a 6-speed automatic gearbox. It's done under 8,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.